Alright, so you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, and you might be wondering what are these headphones that I'm talking about. So these are the new CMF Buds by Nothing, and they're only $30. I made a short and a reel about it. So today I'm gonna talk about this in a long form content and give you all the pros and cons about this. And to be honest, there's no cons, it's all pros, and it's only $30, as I said again. So let's get into the unboxing. So as you can see, I'm opening the box. I sped this up, but it's really nothing special. It doesn't have the charging cable, and all it has is the small and the large buds that are in the case, and the case itself and the buds inside, and the little spinny thing as I show here, which I will talk about, and the buds itself. Not really nothing special. Alright, so you saw the unboxing, and now you might be wondering is what makes this so much special? Only $30, Affaan. I mean, what makes this so special? First, it's wireless, and second, you get this cool little app right here. So this cool app allows you to change the genres. So you can change genres depending. They have rock, electric, pop, classical, and enhanced vocals. And if you don't like those, you can also change it. They have a custom one right here where you can change if you want the bass to be crazy, which I'm gonna talk about later. If you want the bass to be crazy, if you want the mid to be really low, you can change that. And they also have controls, touch controls on these, which is crazy. I wasn't expecting this. They have touch controls on these, so you can change, and if you don't like the touch controls, you can also change the touch controls. And this is surprising, but they also have noise cancellation. I mean, for $30 you're getting touch and noise cancellation, and this cool little app where you can change the bass, mid, treble, and everything. And it also has a category for ultra bass, and if you want a lot of bass, which it gives you a lot of bass. I've been using this for at least a week now, and it is amazing. The bass is amazing. It's like crazy. It's better than my AirPods, and to be honest, I'm gonna give up my AirPods. Alright, let's get into the pros and the cons of this buds right here. Let's go to the pros. So the pros of this buds are, it comes with the app that I just showed you, which is completely customizable. You can change every single thing. And the second pro is that you can have touch controls on these, and while they're $30. So touch controls on $30 wireless earbuds are amazing. And finally, you have crazy noise cancellation. I was surprised when I put these on. These noise cancellation were really good, like as good, not as good as AirPods, but like right below it. And if you're like don't really care about noise cancellation, you won't even see a difference in AirPods and these right here. So these are all the pros, and now you might be wondering, what are the cons? Well, the cons is that this case doesn't charge the buds. I know these doesn't charge, but I was expecting that because it's only $30. They cannot put a charger in this. I mean, look how slim it is, and it's only for $30. So that is con number one. And con number two is it doesn't come with a cable, a charging cable, so you can charge it, but it's USB-C. I mean, at this point you should have USB-C in anywhere in your house. I mean, USB-C is really easy to find, and it's really common now, so USB-C is really good. To be honest, those are the only two cons of this, is that they don't have a charging cable and the cases don't charge. But other than that, it's just pros and pros and pros. Because for $30, the amount and the share of all the quality that you're getting in this buds is out of hand. So this is my review on the buds.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Oh, By the way, I forgot to mention, you might be wondering, what is this right here? What is this spinny thing? This little fidget thing? Well, it's actually a lanyard. As you can see, there are 2 holes on this, so you can connect your lanyard and you can wear it like as a chain. I don't know why would you do that, but you can do it. And it's a little spinny thing, so you can spin it around, fidget with it. So I mean, they thought a lot for 30 bucks. I mean, at this point you have to get it.